Three language policy Yaningdaba Phongdoktuna Tamil Nadu gi BJP gi Luchingbi Ranjana Netjr party Dagi Tokhre BJP na Luchingba center lengakna Tamil Nadu amasung Hindi ngangdaba lamdam singda three language policy namduna chana hanaba hotnari haibagi matangda chaungna wathok thoklingai Tamil Nadu gi BJP gi party gi art and cultural wing gi state secretary Ranjana Netjr na center gi thawong asi Yaningdaba ga loinana party Dagi Tokhre hairi Party dagi toklaba matungda mahakna social media da thagalakpa post amada center da leiriba BJP na nationalism amadi lining laison sizinaduna political gi oiba khudong chaba longnaba hotnare amasung Tamil Nadu gi top identity ikai khumnadre amadi center gi leadership gi thawong yaningdabadagi mahak tokpani hairi
I feel I can't keep my eyes closed, keep my mouth shut when it comes to children. Even I do politics in a national party, but so many days this issue is going, but I thought, okay, another language is good. Not only one language, so many languages, if you learn, that's good, but only if there is a need. It should not be a must thing. It is not a must to learn languages. And the way the government, the central government deals is they don't want to give any education related funds if they don't accept their three language system policies. So that is the thing. I got sudden stuck in my mind. Oh, this is not a thing we should accept, because there is a way. Mutually, both central and state government should sit together. What are your demands and what is your difficulties in implementing this scheme? And central government should come forward and tell them, okay, this much of funds is there for education. You make use of it. Bring more tutors. You can give another language for the children, and all that they can do. They should sit and talk amicably, not like, if you don't want to take it, I don't want to give fund. That is not the way, adamant way and arrogant way to deal with the government.